Hello friends, today we are going to start the concept of class 11th, chapter 3rd, exercise 3.3. Firstly, I will tell all the trigonometric identities. These will help you to solve this exercise. First is sine 2a. This is equal to 2 sine a cos a. Whatever is written here, that is divided by 2. 2a is written, then you will take AA. Why? Because it is divided by 2. If a is there, then you will take a by 2. Means always you will take the half of it. Clear? Now cos 2a. Cos 2a is cos square a minus sine square a. And this can also be written as 2 cos square a minus 1. Why? Because you know this identity. Sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So I derived the value of sine square from here. Sine square what can be written as 1 minus cos square a. Clear? So we will put here. See, cos square a same minus it will 1 minus cos square a. Clear? Whenever you will open minus minus plus cos square a 2 times, so 2 cos square a minus 1. Similarly, in that manner you can use the value of cos square from this and you will get this result. Means these have three results and it depends on your situation which you want, sine only, cos only, or cos sine both. Clear? Next identity is tan 2a. This is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Sine 2a. Sine 2a identity is same like that, but already sign is changed only. With the sign change negative to positive. So tan 2a and sine 2a, only sign problem in denominator. Next cos 2a. Cos 2a, you know what is there. You see in sine and tan both will be cancelled, and you know cos 2a how will be obtained. Sine upon cos is equal to tan. In that manner you can find this will come in denominator. Clear? Similarly, if you know those two formulas, then you can find the third one also. Next is sine 3a is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. And for cos 3a, this will be 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. In sine you will keep firstly 3 sine a. In cos 3a, firstly you will write 4 cos cube a. See, in sine, sine will come. In cos, cos will come. Next is tan 3a. Tan 3a means 3 tan a minus tan cube upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. Remember, this is very important formulas. Next is sine a plus b. Whenever plus is between them, then identity is firstly sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Whenever sine will be there, and positive time positive, negative time only negative will be changed. Next is in cos. Cos of a plus b. Whenever it is in cos, then you will take positive time negative, negative time positive. Remember this thing. But in sine same will remain there, but in cos it will be different. And cos will come with the same partner in of identity of cos. Sine will come with the sine. In tan of a plus b, firstly you will open tan a plus tan b, then upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Clear? Next one is tan of a minus b. This is equal to tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. Minus time minus, and you will take the opposite of this. Similarly, you have taken here also. Plus time plus and an opposite of in denominator. Now next is, these are known as CD formulas. Sine c plus sine d. This is equal to 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Sine c minus sine d. This is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. Then after that cos c plus cos d. This is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. In sine, first sine, then cos, and negative time cos before and sine after. But in cos, whenever cos is coming in positive, then they will come in both cos. But and in negative, both time sine will come, but negative will be here. So easy to remember. Clear? Cos in positive will come with cos, and in negative both will come with sine, but negative sign will be there. See, and in sine, firstly sine keep with itself, then cos, and in negative giving to cos and sine will remain same. Clear? Next one is cot of a plus b. This is cot a cot b minus 1 upon cot a plus cot b. Similarly with the cot a minus b, signs are changed only. And remember this identity, sin square a minus sin square b. You know the identity a square minus b square. In sin form it also sin a plus b, sin a minus b. Clear? When cos square minus sin square ab, see, cos square a minus sin square b, then it will come in cos. See, here here cos is there, but there is a sin only. So cos a plus b, cos a minus b. Remember these identities. Now we will discuss some examples. First question is, find the value of sin 3 pi by 2 cos pi by 6. Pi by 6 you know, that is 30. Firstly we will change it. This is 270. You don't know the value of 270. We will break it 90 into 2 plus 90. Clear? You know, in my previous video I discussed, whenever 90 with even number written, then you will keep it same. Whenever odd number is there, then you will change it. Sine into cos, cos into sine, tan into cot, cot into tan, secant into cosecant, cosecant into secant. But now this is even, so keep same. But you see in which quadrant it lies. This is 0 to 90, 90 to 180. But it is 180 to 270. It is coming in this quadrant. And here sign is negative. So keep negative sign. Who is positive here? Tan and cot. So sine minus sine 90 cos 30. You know the values. This is 1. This is root 3 by 2. So your answer is minus root 3 by 2. Next is proof that this is equal to this. I have taken left hand side. I put the identity of sin 2 theta, you know, 2 sin theta cos theta, and this one identity is 2 cos square theta. Now you are thinking how it came. See, cos 2 theta is equal to what? 2 cos square theta minus 1. Clear? But minus 1 is here. So you can say no problem. Firstly 1 is kept same, plus cos 2 theta v value put here, 1 cancel. Clear? Now only 2 cos square theta left. 2 se cancels, cos. Sin upon cos is tan theta. Means I put the value of cos 2 theta and sin 2 theta from the identities. Then I got my answer that I want in right hand side. Next, proof that this is equal to tan theta by 2. Now you will observe the left hand side. You know there is no formula. So I keep 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. Plus sin theta I kept in end. Now again by using the identity, this is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2, and this identity you know also, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. I told in identities, whenever theta is given, it will be in half whenever you open the identities. Clear? Similarly, and remember this identity you can easily, 1 plus cos 2 theta. I told how it came, but remember it directly. 2 cos square theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta. This is equal to 2 sin square theta. When positive sign is here, you will take cos. Negative sign, you know na, ki cos is coming always when it is a positive, and negative will come when sign is, it is giving to position of sound. Sign came. Now you will take common from these two. So I put the value 1 plus cos 2 theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta. Remember, whatever identity is here, you will take the half of it. Clear? Now we have taken common. You will see internal factor will cut down and only this will left. Sin theta upon cos theta by this is will tan theta by 2. This is your right hand side. Next question is prove that cos 4x is equal to c. And you will observe you want what 1 minus 8 sin square cos square. Why I used this identity? You know cos theta, cos 2 theta has 3 identities and you want in place of sin here means 1 so you want same. So we have used this identity. You have 3 identities of cos theta na? We have discussed here 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Because 1 you want in right side same so I kept here. 1 minus 2 sin square theta, but theta is what here 4. So we have taken the half of it 2x. Now I put the value of sin 2 theta again. 2 sin x cos x whole square it will become. Clear? Then you will open its squares. It will become 8 sin square cos square. So this is your right hand side. Hence proved. Clear? Why we are using this identity? You know sin 2 theta is what? Similarly, by using it, it is coming in this manner. It depends on you. How will you treat? It can be lengthy also. But because of right hand side observation, we know that it can be done easily. Next, show that this is equal to 2 cos x. Clear? See left hand side and 2 will remain same. Root 2 plus root 2. 1 plus cot 8x. From the inner side you can take common. 1 plus cos 8x. It can be written as 2 cos square theta. Theta is your 8. So it will be divided by 2. So it became 4. You know whenever positive is here you will take cos. When negative is here you will take sin. Clear? Now 2 to the 4 cos square 4x. Now what will you do? You can take 2 cos 4x whole square means 2 cos 4x whole square. Square will cancel with the square root. Clear? Now you will take common from these two. So now again I am using the identity here. 2 cos square theta. What is theta? You will take the half. Now 2 to the 4. Again we are breaking it. I have written in form of square. Square cancel with square root. Then I opened and taken common of 2. Then again I opened the identity. 2 to the 4. 2 cos x whole square we have written. Square cancel with. It means you will start from back side. It will come automatically by removing the square roots from cutting by square. Next is if tan theta by 2 is equal to this, cos phi is you have to prove. Now we will take its left hand side. Cos phi. You know in form of tan this is a formula of cos. Why we are using this formula? Because you want in right side. See what is given to you. So we are taking the formula in tan. Clear? Phi is there you will take phi phi. And phi is what? You will take pi by 2. Clear? 5 by 2 why we are taking? Then after that you know tan phi by 2 we can take the value from here. So firstly I have done squaring. Why we have done squaring? It will become square. It's removed here also because we want the value of tan square phi by 2. Clear? Then cross multiply you will get the value of tan square phi by 2. So I put the value by getting from here. Clear? Then what we are doing? We will take LCM. Clear? It will become here 1 minus e minus 1 plus e tan square theta by 2. 1 minus e plus 1 plus e tan square theta by 2. Now 1 minus tan square theta by 2 and can be taken e from here. Similarly from downside. Now you will observe what you want 1 minus e only. You don't want with here. So we will divide this factor with the all terms. So I divide here. Clear? In that manner it will become 1. This will also cancel. You know what is the value of this? Cos theta using same here. But phi in phi, theta in theta. Same here. So this is what? This is your right hand side. Got? Means we will start ourselves from left side by putting the value in form of tan. But we are using tan phi from here. Next one is sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x is equal to this. Clear? Now you will observe, what do you want? X by 2, 3x by 2. So we have taken this factor with it. You are thinking why we are taking this with it? Why? Whenever you will add them using identity on these two, 5x will come, but you don't want in right side. So that's why I kept these two collectively and keep here. Sin x minus sin y identity we use. 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. And here I opened sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. It will become 2x. It will become sin x. Same here. 2 can be taken common. Sin x also. Cos 2x plus x left inside. Now again we are opening the identity here. Clear? You know cos time both cos will come. Firstly with positive, then with negative. Then you will open 3x by 2. It will become x by 2. 2, 2, 4. So you got same factors that one. Now you got why we are not keeping it? Because 5x by 2 you don't want here. Clear? So it will depends on your right hand side. Next question is find the value of sin 75. 75 can be written as 45 plus 30. Why I break it? Because you don't know the value of 75. It can be solved by taking those values which we know. We can't break except these two. So now we are using identity sin a plus b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. A is your 40, b is your 30. Put in your right hand side. Open the values. Take its LCM. You know right side same. Sorry, denominator is same. Keep it same, root 3 plus 1. Clear? Next, sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. You know this identity. Sin square a minus sin square b. Sin a plus b, sin a minus b. By that, I put and I got same answer. But in cos you know na, one time cos, one time sin. So it will be cos a plus b, cos a minus b. Next is cos x upon 1 minus sin x is equal to tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Firstly, you know cos x we have no identity. Then we have changed it into sin firstly. Why we know? Because we know pi by 4 we want. It can come only whenever I will say sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Same here, I have no identity 1 minus sin theta. Change into cos sin minus theta. Now I have the value of sin theta. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Theta by 2 means 2 will become 4. X will come 2. Similarly with the cos. And here also 1 plus cos theta. 2 cos square theta by 2. It will become 4. And here it will become x by 2. 2 to cancel. 1 cos will cancel. Sin by cos is your tan. So this is your answer. Clear? I hope you are getting easy to get, but remember these identity and one side you have to see the your right hand side also. Thank you. Have a nice day.